हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका 10 शिक्षक एजुकेशन ऐप में। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डेटा टाइप्स, जो कि स्टैटिस्टिक्स का एक पार्ट है। और डेटा टाइप्स में हम स्पेशली डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आज के सेशन में एट्रीब्यूट्स की। एट्रीब्यूट्स होता क्या है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं कि एट्रीब्यूट्स होता क्या है। तो एट्रीब्यूट्स इज अ क्वालिटी और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ आइटम अंडर स्टडी। ओके, जो भी चीज हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं, ओके, हम किसी एक पर्सन को स्टडी कर रहे हैं, कोई सेट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टडी कर रहे हैं, या कुछ भी वॉट एवर वी स्टडी, ओके, जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन हमारे अंडर है, उस ऑब्जर्वेशन की किसी क्वालिटी या किसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को ही क्या बोलते हैं, हम एट्रीब्यूट बोलते हैं। तो एट्रीब्यूट इज अ क्वालिटेटिव इन नेचर। ओके, एट्रीब्यूट क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? क्वालिटी रिप्रेजेंट करता है इन नेचर विच कैन नॉट बी मेजर्ड। ओके, ऐसी क्वालिटी रिप्रेजेंट करता है जो मेजर नहीं की जा सकती, जिसका क्या है, कोई ही हमारे पास कोई मेथड नहीं है कि हम उसको मेजर कर सके कि 1 किलो, 2 किलो, 3%, 4%, 100%, 20%, इस तरह से कोई भी हमारे पास तरीका नहीं है उस क्वालिटी को मेजर करने के लिए, बट कैन बी मार्क बाय दियर प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस। ओके, उनकी एब्सेंस और प्रेजेंस ही हम मार्क कर सकते हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम डिस्कस कर ले ऑनेस्टी, तो हमारे पास कोई भी ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है जो किसी पर्सन की ऑनेस्टी को मेजर कर सके। वी कैन ओनली से वेदर पर्सन इज ऑनेस्ट और नॉट ऑनेस्ट। ओके, दैट इज डिसऑनेस्ट। ओके, इंडियन, अब हमारे पास कोई ऐसा मेथड नहीं है जहां पर हम लोग क्या स्केल, जहां पर लिखे ही इज 12% इंडियन, ही इज 40% इंडियन, ही इज 90% इंडियन। इट कोई ऐसा मेजरमेंट नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा पैरामीटर नहीं जिसके ऊपर आप मेजर कर सकते हैं। वी कैन से बाय लुकिंग एट द पर्सन, बाय लुकिंग, by seeing it passport, yeah, by citizen card, we can say whether it is Indian or not Indian, that only. Okay, then gender can be male, female, transgender, or could be means whatever the gender present right now, these are okay. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता he is a 5% male, he is a 20% male, okay, he is a 1 kg male, we cannot do like this. ओके, हम इस तरह से नहीं कर सकते। देन हैबिट्स ऑफ द पर्सन, ओके, वी कैन नॉट से ही इज 40% alcoholic. Okay, we sometimes say he is occasionally okay, like this. Okay, but it is not correct measure. कि occasionally is not correct measure. Okay, हम सिर्फ बस उस आदमी की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं कि he is occasionally alcoholic. Okay, he is occasionally smokes. Okay, तो यहाँ पर ये सारा देखो डिस्कशन डिस्कशन में हमें एक पॉइंट क्लियर यही नजर आ रही है कि दीज ऑल आर रिप्रेजेंट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पर्सन। ओके, बट वी कैन नॉट मेजर दिस क्वालिटी। हम इस क्वालिटी को मेजर नहीं कर सकते। वी कैन से ओनली द पर्सन हैज अ क्वालिटी और नॉट। तो इस तरह की जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस या जो क्वालिटीज और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं किसी भी ऑब्जर्वेशंस की, तो इसे क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? एट्रीब्यूट कहते हैं। Then for given a population means whatever we study, okay, whatever under the study can be divided into the two classes according to the presence और absence. Okay, जब भी हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बात कर रहे हैं किसी इंसान की, तो हमने देखा या तो उसके अंदर वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रेजेंट है या तो उसके अंदर वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रेजेंट नहीं है। तो यहाँ पर दो क्लासेस बनते हैं, तो इसको बोलते हैं डाइकोटोमस। ओके, डाइकोटोमस क्लासिफिकेशन। ओके, अगर दो एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं और एक हो सकता है कि प्रेजेंट होगा, एक प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा, तो इसको बोलते हैं डाइकोटोमस क्लासिफिकेशन। तो क्लास और सेट ऑफ पीपल मतलब जितने भी ऑब्जर्वेशन पजेस द एट्रीब्यूट्स। ओके, जैसे मैं इस यहाँ पर एक एट्रीब्यूट क्वालिटी बनाता हूँ, लाइकिंग लाइक्स अ मैंगो। ओके, लाइक्स अ मैंगो एक क्वालिटी है। जैसे आप हो गए, मैं हो गए, तो हम लोगों में से कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको मैंगो पसंद होंगे, कुछ लोग होंगे मैंगो नहीं पसंद होंगे। तो समझो मेरा एट्रीब्यूट है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है लाइक्स मैंगो। ओके, तो कई लोग होंगे जिनको मैंगो पसंद होगा, तो क्लास ऑफ द पीपल, ओके, या क्लास ऑफ सेट ऑफ द पीपल्स पजेस द एट्रीब्यूट्स, मतलब जो मैंगो को लाइक करते हैं उनको क्या बोलेंगे हम? पॉजिटिव क्लास। ओके, द पॉजिटिव क्लास आर डिनोटेड बाय द कैपिटल लेटर्स ए बी सी। जो इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट के कैपिटल लेटर्स होते हैं ए बी सी, उनका यूज करके पॉजिटिव क्लास को डिनोट करते हैं। एंड द क्लास डज नॉट पजेस द एट्रीब्यूट, जैसे वो लोग जो मैंगो लाइक नहीं करते, डज नॉट लाइक मैंगो, उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? negative class, and these are denoted by the small Greek letters, that is alpha, beta, gamma, theta, eta, all these. So next is order of the class. The next terminology in theory of the attributes is a order of the class. A class represent one attribute. Okay, only one attribute. Okay, it means if we look for the bivariate frequency, okay, there may be a characteristic that one person have a more than two attribute also, more than three attributes also. Okay, so a class that represent only one attribute is called as a first order, class, or we can say the person who possesses only one characteristics. Okay, a number of person who possess only one characteristic is called a first order. Okay, so these are denoted by the A, B, C, or maybe alpha, beta, because all these are characteristic. Okay, A means likes mango, alpha means does not like mango, B means male, beta means female. Okay, so these all the class of first order. A class represent two attribute is called as a class of second order. Okay, if a person possesses two characteristic or two quality like AB, AC, A alpha, this is called as a class of second order. Thus, order denotes the number of attributes in the class. Okay, a class or a group of person, okay, who has number of the characteristics. Suppose a person has a three characteristics, then order of the class is three. So next is class frequency. So number of items belonging to the class. Okay. Suppose we group all the person. Okay. Among the 100%, we grouped all the person who has a three characteristic, and we find 25 person are like who has a three characteristic. Then this 25 will be the class frequency of the class order third. Class order third means person has a three characteristics. It is a class 3 order, and class 3 order there are 25 members. So frequency of class 3 order will be 25, is called as the frequency of that class. The class frequency are denoted by the putting the letters denote the class. Okay, suppose a person has A and B characteristics, so we'll write AB equal to 15. Okay, 15 is the number of the person who has a both characteristics A and B. Thus, bracket A stand for the number of items possess the attribute A, that is characteristics, while AB stand for the number of items possess the character A and B both. Then next, type of the class frequency. Type of the class frequency, the frequency of the positive class. We studied what is positive class. So whatever the frequencies belong to the positive class are called as the positive class frequencies. Like the frequency belongs to the capital A, frequencies belong to the capital AB is called as a positive frequency class. And frequency of the negative class, we know what is negative class, denoted by the small Greek letters, are called negative class frequency. That is class number of observation or frequencies belongs to beta, alpha, or sometimes alpha beta also. These are called as negative class frequency. The class frequency of the highest order, okay, highest order class frequencies are called as the ultimate frequency. Suppose we have a two attributes A and B, and alpha beta in bivariate frequency distribution. So maximum possibilities AB, A alpha, alpha B, or alpha beta. Okay, so this is the possible. Okay, a person can maximum have these characteristics. So these all frequencies are called as the ultimate class frequencies. Or sorry, all these are called as the ultimate class, and the frequent number of the observation belongs to this is called ultimate class frequencies. So in order to understand all these concepts, consider this example. It is very easy and concise example. You will understand very easily. So question is that in an institute out of 200 students, means that there are 200 students. Okay, students may be male or female. Okay, it could be anything. Okay, but not both at the same time. Remember this. So 150 were boys. Okay, out of 200 students, 150 were boys. Mm, it is confirmed that then 50 are girls. In an examination, 120 boys and 40 girls passed. Obtain the attribute table. We have to form the attribute table here. So here two attributes are there. The first attribute regarding the students may be boy or girl. So we can find the number of observation, okay, who belongs to boys category, and number of observation who belongs to girls category. So here it is given that 150 are boys. Okay, so frequency of the boys is 150. Okay, and total 200. Therefore, frequency of the girls is 50. Then Among 150 boys, 120 boys passed examination. Means here another one more attribute, passed or failed. So we know two attributes more. Okay. So we'll plot this as a bivariate frequency distribution. Attributes here. Okay. First attribute here, boys and girls. So boys is denoted by the capital letter A, and its opposite, that is not boys, that is girls, represented by the alpha. And passed represented by the B, and not passed, that is failed, represented by the. Now we have total 200. So first of all, we'll write this 200. Okay, this 200. Now boys are 150. So this boys total is 150. Therefore, girls total will be 50. Okay, so first we wrote this, then second we wrote this, then third is this. Now 120 boys are passed. Okay, so boys and passed. So A and B, it is 120. So since it is, so I write 4 here, fourth number here, then fifth is here. 120 plus 30 is equal to 150. And 40 girls passed. 40 girls passed means 120 plus 40, that is 160. So I got 160 right now. So since total is 200, including pass and fail, we also get 200. So therefore, this will be 40. Okay. If this is 40, it is, sorry, if this is 30, this is 40, then it would be 10. So this way we draw the table. Okay. So here the number of observations. Okay. I'm just rubbing this table. Just 1 minute. So AB, what AB represent? AB means represent the number of the boys who passed exam is 120. So this 120 is a class frequency, and both class are the positive, therefore positive class. Okay, and order of this class is second. Order of this class is second because two characteristic is there. Okay, order of this class is also second. Order of this class is 1. 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 Order of this class is 2. Order of this class is 2. Okay, highest class order is 2. Therefore, these all AB, alpha, A beta, alpha B, and alpha beta are the ultimate class. Ultimate class, and the corresponding frequency, that is the number belongs to them, are called as their frequencies. Okay, so this is the question. I hope this is clear. Then points to remember that if these points can be asked you in MCQ questions. The number of ultimate class frequency is 2 power n, where n is number of attributes. Then total number of the class frequencies of R order. Okay, that is NCR 2 power R. R is number of attributes. Sorry, R is a class order. Sorry, R is a class order. Here you can make changes. R is class order. Then total number of the class frequencies of all order. Okay, of all order, that is 3 power n. Okay, all over means 0 order, first order, second order, and third order. That is total number of the frequencies in a table. If the n is number of attributes, suppose there are 2 attributes, then 3 square equal to 9 class frequencies would be there. Okay, look here. Here total are 9 frequencies are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now come to independence of attribute. There may be possibility that two attributes are independent. Independent means if one is not affected by the others. Okay, one attribute does not affect the other attributes. So such a situation where the case happen is called as the independence of attributes. So what is the condition for if we have an attribute table, or we are able to form the attribute table? How to check whether the attributes are dependent or independent? So condition for that is AB divided by B should be equal to A beta divided by beta. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that the attributes are independent. Consider an example here. Gender is male and female is there. Like fish and do not like fish. It is the attribute table given here. We have to check whether there is a relation between the gender and liking of fish. Okay. So let's start with the checking. So if we solve, okay. So here is a table. So by the table, if we find AB divide by B, okay, so AB is a 80, 80 divided by 100, and A beta divided by the beta, it is 80 by 100. If we look, okay, both are equal. Okay, both are equal. Therefore, there is independent. Okay, the attribute gender and the liking of fish are independent. There is no relation. There is no relation. Okay, that is gender. Gender does not affect the liking of the fish. Okay, if someone say yes, male like more fish, female like less fish. Okay, female don't like the fishes. Okay, so there is no kind of the any relations. Okay, this table shows that this table shows that there is a no kind of the any relation between the gender and the liking of the fish. They both are independent. Then next, association of the attributes. If attributes are not independent, it means there is kind of some dependencies. We can say that as association. So association could be positive, could be negative. Okay, means one increase, second decrease, and second increase, first decrease. Okay, so positive relation can be there or negative relation could be there. Okay, so we have to just analyze that association. So if positive association, the condition for the positive association is that class frequency of capital AB should be greater than class frequency of A into class frequency of B divided by total number of the frequencies, or AB, if AB is less than class frequency of into class frequency of B divided by total frequency, then it is negative association. So let's take example. Here is a gender and smoker and non-smoker. Okay, so just solve this. This is the attribute. Okay, we have written all the attribute table. Now we know AB is 20. It is given A 21, B 100, and 20. If we solve this, okay, A class frequency of A into class frequency of B, 21 into 100 whole divided, will get 10.5. We'll get 10.5, and we know AB. So since AB is greater than class frequency of AB, class frequency of A into class frequency of B whole divided by N. So therefore, positive association between the male and smokers. So this way we can find the association between two attributes. That's all with this. Thank you.